Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth them. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I don't know all this shit. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie I the First, and all things that's good. Seeing. Welcome all viewers and subscribers. Seeing. And viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and then grow the thing. In a seat. Now, we want to make a reasoning tonight, man. You know, the degradation with morality as a people in a Jamaica scene, and we lack a responsibility to the future, for the future youth them, even the one them where we are create as well. Scene. Now, it's not new, say you always have some people in our society, that's not all there, who lose a screw, seeing sick, twisted desires and mentalities. Now, a lot of them people they go unheard of, unseen, in a seat, and you know, we're not too focused on them or putting no effort in a finding or identifying them as such because we're distracted by a whole lot of other things. So seeing but fact remain. I know it's not like so we're not a great difference from anywhere else in the world where them things that exist. Seeing? So without saying certain key words, because no further, you know, cloud upon the channel, seeing some big one at Jamaica. You have a little video go around, some little video, and you see you have some woman at Jamaica, you know, preferably them call them the woman of the night and thing like that. See, first, I ain't come for bash the item. See, the item sell them thing and I do them thing, you know, see. But yeah, like the whole saying, go the oldest profession. See? And it is what it is. See? We're not coming for debate that I discussed that. See? But overall, there was always a certain moral responsibility where everybody credit themselves with, whether or not you expect that level of moral consideration from that person. Usually, them people on a whole in society just credit themselves with that level of moral response or a moral boundary barrier when nobody won't cross for the price. You understand what I say? No, it's like that boundary, that line has been eroded to the point where it's like people choose to cross it and stand up on it, you know, publicly, openly, and things like that. You see, when the ladies of the night, you know, I gotta do anything for anybody. It come like a joke. See, there usually is an age restriction when nobody can. I want to, you know, see, little boy, go home in your yard, where they are, so. See, you alright, maybe call your parents or something like that. It's just a parental nature just chip in when they say a child on a spot like that. Nowadays, when they say a child on a spot like that, it's like, so well then, it's just business as usual. You see, the mother of the nation, man. I build the thing and develop the thing. You know, see it. Uno have to maintain a certain level in order for the standard change, develop, or maintain. You know, see it. Whichever way, uno have a great role, great influence in the settings of things. And if we not go take, if we not go sell, if we not go sell for a price, the direction of where the future will go, the erosion of the moral boundary and moral lines where grown up people, big people across with the underage and all them thing there. As a woman and you did up on camera make man a film you and all them type of thing there. It's a disgrace. And it's a call for concern. Wish you could have kind of send you a prison make you go learn the ramification of it ways. But then again, it's not even you for car prison, it's the guy who are filming who appear to be the most twisted, sick individual whatsoever. You know, see it. And him there film the whole thing and I can see, I don't see desire in your face for the occasion. Seeing? I see more, I see, you know, and I say despair than anything else. I wonder if it's a gunman or if the woman do that under duress or something like that. You all know what I talk about. The Ziddy video where them talk about. We all know by now it's not Ziddy night. You know, see it. This is big. This is a depraved. I mean, you can't commit yourself to do something like that where you definitely not enjoy physically, seen, morally, spiritually, seen. You do it for a money, seen, and you know, you record it as well. Where it show up on the public. It's a good thing it record, because again, people have to come to the real, we have to realize what time of day it is. You see it, how the mother them, after the children them, appropriate themselves and the things them where them accept. See, things them where them allow for happen. You know, see, because it's that easier, this have been, I want to say, you know, see it, that's better you yourself did take some violation than you go violate a child's mind like that, regardless of how the child look and act prime and whatever. You know, see it, everybody can see there's a finger that, you know, see it, and they've not reached nowhere. Based on the position as well. You know, see it, again, that was done purposely by yourself because you know, so that's not a good position for find yourself in a, it's not a good situation you find yourself in a. Again, I not blame you. Because I said the whole thing don't look right. Your reaction don't look like it's something that was being done voluntarily. You know, see, but again, oh, you find, you know, I don't know if you expose people like them that were instigate them type of act there and have the art for film it and a laugh in the background like a sick as the sick, twisted entity that it is. You see, things like them that happen in any country, any other country, probably even Cayman or Cuba. Them find culprit like them there and put them in a prison. You know, see, and whether it would be unfortunate, it would be fortunate as well for the woman find herself in a prison too. You know, see, because like I said, no matter what the circumstance, see, it now how you feel like your heart now, you walk around with that badge there in your heart, in your mind, in your consciousness, say, you get caught, you do a thing like that, not even whether you get caught on camera, yes or no. You know, see, that's big violation, man. You know, see it. You know, see it. Not just to humanity, not to the human being who you violated as well, but it's a purpose, blatant erosion of moral boundaries that's not meant to be crossed whatsoever. You know, see, as you think, you see yourself with the impertinence and the privilege to allow yourself to be filmed in such acts and published, broadcast to the world. You know, see it. You know, see it. You was conscious. You was very much conscious. And it's a disgrace. You see it? And anybody who know the group involved, man, need to forward the information to the relevant authorities, man, for step to this one. And have grown people out there are supposed to agree and accept things like them, the Rasta. You see it? Grown people not involved in them thing there. See? A big disrespect that, man. If the shoes was on the other foot, man, you know how high the roof would have raised, Rasta, by now. You see it? Nah, man. We can't accept them sort of mentality, man. Them big disrespect from a woman, them, man. You see it? And the woman, them are the last line of defense, Rasta. And the last line of defense, man. When father they rode at the angle of the business of the woman, I entered and maintained the standard that was mutually set. You see it? If the woman are there and the father are the same, you see it? So when we see the woman, they behave them way in a public side, hurtful. You see it? And I'll get yourself videoed, I film it, and you know them one that, yo, if a man have a gun on your head, Rasta, better you're dead than make that happen to you. A big idiot thing, that man. You see it? Even though me not see it as something where it look like you purpose, like you well into or voluntarily involved. You see it? You see, because we don't know where the guy where they behind the camera, have behind the camera and why I'm there they are going with. You see it? However, still not acceptable, Rasta. Still not acceptable. There comes a time or a point in time when you have to have principles where you can't, where you not pass, Rasta. You see it? You have to have boundaries where you not cross, man. It's like it's a free-for-all. The culture becomes a free-for-all. Every and anybody can. They come like up some mad people. Yo, we need to find them mad people here, Rasta. You need to find them mad people here. That video about Ziddy is not Ziddy. I don't know who, I don't know who. And I go to some coverage and I try to cover the thing with a fake news thing. You see, no fake news mentality and attitude and I jump and I push Ziddy like say Ziddy. I try, I joke thing that Rasta, that woman they need to be found, man. She need to be found. I'm a better I can't say more on the subject. You see it? But, it hurt to see a woman involve herself in them thing, the Rasta. You see, it is just as much sickening as it is a man. I want to know, man, I the future them there. You see it? How him a go road, how him a go, procreate amongst ordinary children, female bracket, female group now. You see it? That not look right, man. The parents of them children, people here need to, see, so we know say no leadership now in the country. Because when people can do one side, I imagine so them can get away with them thing here. They wouldn't dare film themselves and I push it in the public spectrum like that. You see it? I wouldn't dare do that, Rasta. You see it? So I can't really even sit back and say, the woman they do that voluntarily. You see it at whatever price she get. You see it? I would have more want to conclude that the only reason why she lie down there and do that is because somebody have a gun pan her. She do that at gunpoint and at duress. Me no feel like say no price worth that the reputation there for walk around with. You see it? That's a crime against humanity, man. I need to be found and punished. Made to pay. Face the consequence of your action, man. That's very irresponsible. You see it? You deserve the full force of the law with that, man. And people out there know her and know The whole thing. People out there know that are the sick, twisted thing about the whole thing. You see, what I say now? But Jah know, you know. I give thanks still, I give thanks to the audience. Yes, sir. Yeah, man.